Hello guys, today I have another Lego thing we're gonna build. It's Lego Technic this time, and it's full of gears and parts. So I'm going to come back and we're going to look at all of the pieces in this bag. Looks pretty cool, there's even a tire. Okay guys, we're gonna open this up and we're going to look at all the parts so you can see exactly what we have here. Again, I don't want these to spill everywhere. I like to make these types of videos so you can see exactly what we have. So what do we have? We have a worm gear. That's pretty cool. And then we have parts that look like this. We got little tires and some gears. So a few gears there. And we got a blade. That's pretty cool. That's pretty clever. Don't know who invented the Lego blade. That's pretty cool. And then we got these 4-tooth gears. Again, another cool invention for Lego. We got another one right here. These can turn like this, and they can even turn like this at a 90-degree angle, so that's pretty cool. Then we got these tiny little bevel gears. Don't know what these do. They're supposed to be like bevel gears. I don't know. So I invented this. I know what this is. It's like a Lego chopper. It's like a Lego tree cutter because it has a blade. And these pieces. So yeah guys, let's get started. Here's the finished product. This thing is pretty darn cool. It's got like a worm gear underneath here. So it's like when you turn this knob, it raises the thing up and down. So that's nice. And then, of course, the little tires. You guys already know that. Flip some tires. This is flipping guys. You just press down on the tire. It also has this blade that, like, it's like a log cutter. I don't know, it's like a log splitter. So let's raise it. Let's lower this down. And if I turn this, it turns the blade. So let's take a look at that. It's like this little gearbox. Pretty cool. So it's like when you turn the knob, it spins the gears. There's a little 8-tooth gear there. Right there. It's got some gears shoved in this. I made this thing up today. The day I upload this video is the day that I made this, and the day that I filmed this video. So I don't know why I have these pieces right here. I don't know. And I like it. I was kind of hoping for it to have like threads on here because I like thread stuff, and I couldn't find any threads or any chain threads or anything like that. I do have a bunch of 20-100 gears that need a lot of help. Like I could have used these gears and some threads. No, I actually like threads, so there's a worm gear. So yeah guys, thank you for watching. If you haven't already,